Hey, welcome to my channel. I am going through my purse. I'm going to show you guys what I have in my purse. If you're interested in seeing what's in my purse, stick around. Let's just dive into what I got. Alright, so this purse I actually got from Ross. I was going on a trip and I needed a big fatty purse to bring with me. And this, I believe, was about 30 bucks at Ross, which is a really good deal. Maybe 35. If you don't know Ross, it's a store kind of like TJ Maxx. Maybe you have a TJ Maxx over there, but they have a whole bunch of clothes and accessories and housewares and random goodies, a whole bunch of stuff, dog beds, furniture. This video is not sponsored or anything. I just go there. But Ross has a whole bunch of good things. That's enough about my purse. Let's get into it. So I'm going to show you the inside. It's a little sneak peek of what's inside. There's the print. They got one big pocket, three little pockets, and then also it comes with, oh wait, I didn't even notice this. What? I didn't even notice this. There's like a compartment right here. This was zipped shut. This would be good for a wallet. It's right here. Oh, can you see? Yeah, see there's this flap which magnetizes right here. It's like a magnet. And then a zipper right here, which I didn't know about, so that's cool. That will like protect your wallet pretty good, I guess. And let's dive in. So first I will show you my lipsticks. So this is the one I'm actually wearing right now. This stuff looks amazing. This is the NYX Lingerie XXL professional makeup, and it's kind of like a stain, and I love this on my lips. Makes them look extra juicy, bigger, I guess, I don't know. And then this stuff I love too. I wear this a lot in my videos. It's also NYX. Right there. And this is a lip stain. There's the colored part of it. Oh gosh. And then it has like a clear gloss at the bottom that you put over it, and that helps it make it like smudge proof. So if you kiss your hand or kiss somebody or whatever, it just doesn't, the lipstick doesn't get on it. Anyways, so that's the lipsticks that I have in here. I only got 2. And then I got, I'm just gonna take it all out. Got my wallet. Don't judge me. I need a new one. This is a Jessica Simpson one that I got actually from Ross. It's a big guy. I kind of want to get another one, just cuter. Here's the inside. It's cute, right? But not as cute as I want it anymore. It's kind of getting used and rickety. Next, I got Ferrero Rochers because I love candy, and I usually have to have some sugar in my purse or wherever I go. I want one right now. Alright, and I got my business cell phone, my business wallet phone case thing. It's for business purposes only. Then I got this little bag right here. Where did I get this from? Oh yeah, I got this from Spencer's Gifts in the mall. I got a whole bunch of PlayStation stuff. Yes, I am a PlayStation gamer mixed with PC. Been transitioning into PC, but of course I have some good stuff on PlayStation, and I always love PlayStation. So I got this, and there's something else that came with this that I'll show you, but I'll show you that later. So inside it's plain, but I got this EOS Evolution of Smooth. I actually didn't even know that it was called, like that was short for that, but Shea butter, hand cream, coconut water scent right here. It smells amazing. I need to put that on. My hands are dry. Got some gum. Good old bubble gum. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is another, oh, and it's NYX Candy Slick lipstick gloss stuff. I like it. It's not a stain, but it's like my go-to when I don't have a stain or I don't want to use my stain. Okay. Oh, I have a bunch of hair ties, hair clips. So this is my favorite perfume. I have it in a little rolly ball thingy. It's called Pink Sugar. And it smells like straight up cotton candy. Yes. Cotton candy. I love it. It's my favorite and always will be my favorite. Next I have this notebook, which honestly, I've only written in it once. I do have like a paper and writing, like note-taking habit. So this is my like backup notepad. It's my backup notepad. I got some pens because I have a habit of that. Got a little mini brush of the brushes that I use. What is it? There's a huge piece of lint in there. Yeah, I got a mini brush. I have my mask. Fashion Nova mask. I don't know if you could hear me. Fashion Nova mask. Because, you know, if you know me, I love Fashion Nova. Oh yeah. And then this hand sanitizer spray. It's like coconut and lemon scented right here. It smells so good. So good. I actually even, I'm gonna put on my hands right now. I even spray it in my car as like a spray. Like as a, like, I just want to smell it right now. Like a hint of lemon and coconut. I don't know. But it's a hand sanitizer and I bought it in bulk because I just love the smell. I'll spray it in my car. Like, it just smells that good. Alright. Next I have a ring. It's one of my like really cheap Fashion Nova jewelry, just in case I forget a ring. And just throw it on and feel a little bit more fancy. Oh yeah, and then I have my little mirror compact thing right here. It's a Vegas, like a Vegas, what is this called? Obviously I don't gamble. Token. No, not a token. Chip. A chip. Poker chip. This Vegas poker chip I got. It's actually a little mirror inside. Dual mirror. Little compact thing. Very cute. I like pink. Got that from Vegas, obviously. And what else? I think I have... Oh, yeah. Oh, I was going to show you my glasses, because yes, I am supposed to be wearing glasses. I wear them when I'm driving at night, but they're in my car. Usually they're in my car or in my purse, so I will show you my glasses another day, but here are my sunglasses. They're really dirty, but these ones I love. I actually got these in Vegas a while ago, years ago. These are Carrera. I think that's how you pronounce it. But super stylish. And I should be putting them in the case because they are not the cheapest glasses and they're really cute. So I'm just gonna put them back in my purse. And then I got my keys, which this is actually what came off of my bag. So you'll remember this PlayStation little baggie. This was on it. Just took them off and put them on my keys. I got another little Vegas. I got another little Vegas keychain. And a beer opener that I never use. And a whole bunch of keys. So that's it for what's in my purse. Definitely not as much as a lot of people that I've seen, you know. I think I'm gonna do a video of what's in my sister's purse. I think that's gonna be more interesting than mine, so look out for that. I'll put it in the comments below too if that video is out already by the time you see this one. If you want to check out what's in my closet, I will put a video up there for you guys to see. It's what I'm going to sell. Thanks for watching. Stay sweet. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.